Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on cordless drill machine of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1, UBL 20V Max Cordless Drill Set. UBL 20V Max Cordless Drill Set is a versatile and powerful tool designed to meet the needs of do-it-yourself, enthusiasts and professionals alike. This drill set comes equipped with a lithium-ion battery of 2.0 Ah capacity, ensuring extended usage on a single charge. The inclusion of a fast charger allows for quick replenishment of the battery, minimizing downtime during your projects. Featuring a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, this power drill offers convenience and efficiency by enabling easy and swift bit changes without the need for additional tools. The two variable speed settings provide flexibility, allowing users to adapt the drill's performance to various tasks. With 25+1 position settings, users can fine-tune the torque and drilling depth, enhancing precision and control. The comprehensive nature of this drill set is highlighted by the inclusion of 42 PCS drill bit screws. This diverse assortment ensures that users have the right tool for a wide range of complex projects. The varied selection of bits and screws caters to different materials and project requirements, making this drill set a reliable and efficient choice for those looking to tackle diverse tasks with a single tool. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a enthusiast, the UBL 20V Max Cordless Drill Set offers a blend of power, versatility, and convenience, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Its features, including the keyless chuck, variable speed settings, and a comprehensive set of drill bits and screws, contribute to a seamless drilling experience for various. Product 2, Product name Black Plus Decker 20V Max Matrix Cordless Drill. Black Plus Decker 20V Max Matrix Cordless Drill Driver, BDCDMT120C, is a versatile and efficient power tool designed to meet various drilling and driving needs. This drill is part of the Black Plus Decker Matrix Quick Connect system, allowing users to easily switch between different attachments for different tasks. Featuring a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, the BDCD-MT120C provides a reliable power source for efficient performance. The cordless design enhances maneuverability and flexibility, allowing users to work in different environments without the constraints of a power cord. The orange color of the drill kit is distinctive and Product 3, Product name Dual 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit. Dual 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit, specifically the DCD771C2 model, is a powerful and versatile tool designed for various drilling and driving applications. As a part of DeWalt's renowned line of power tools, this drill is engineered to deliver reliable performance and durability, making it suitable for both professional contractors and enthusiasts. The drill is powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, providing ample power for a wide range of tasks. The cordless design enhances mobility and convenience, allowing users to work efficiently without being constrained by a power outlet. The kit includes 2 rechargeable batteries, ensuring that one can be used while the other charges, minimizing downtime during extended projects. The compact and lightweight nature of the Dual 20V Max Cordless Drill makes it easy to handle in tight spaces and reduces user fatigue during prolonged. Product 4, Product name Jaleen 21V Cordless Drill Set. Jaleen 21V Cordless Drill Set is a comprehensive power tool kit designed for a variety of drilling and fastening applications. This set includes a versatile 3/8-inch keyless chuck that allows for quick and easy bit changes, enhancing user convenience and efficiency during projects. The power drill boasts 25+3 clutch settings, providing users with precise control over torque adjustments to suit different materials and tasks. Equipped with a powerful motor, the Jaleen cordless drill set has a maximum torque of 45 Nm, ensuring it can handle a range of drilling and screwdriving tasks with ease. The 2 variable speed settings add further flexibility, allowing users to customize the drilling speed based on the specific requirements of the job at hand. Any notable feature of this drill set is the inclusion of a work light, enhancing visibility in dimly lit areas and improving overall accuracy during operation. The set also comes with 2 rechargeable batteries on time during longer projects. With its comprehensive set of features, the Jaleen 21V Cordless Drill Set is suitable for both enthusiasts and professionals looking for a reliable and versatile tool to tackle various tasks. The combination of key features, including the variable speed settings, clutch options, and the inclusion of extra batteries, makes this drill set a practical and convenient choice for a wide range of.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.